Today I'm gonna show you how to convert your file. For example, you have a Word file or PDF file, or you have a PSD or AI file. You want to convert this on a Word file or MP3 file or Excel file or anything you want. So how to do that? Let's go. How to do that? Okay. First of all, we have to go to Google and you have to type Zamzar. Zamzar. Then it will come here. The website is zamzar.com. Now let's see how to convert this. For example, I have a file, this one. This is a summary, a PDF file. I want to convert this on MP3 file. For example, a audio file. Okay. So how I can do that? Let's go. First of all, I will drag this and drag here. And now I have to convert to, now I will select the option in which I want to convert. I will select here is MP3. Now I have selected MP3. Now here is a dialog box, you see, that is voice. Which voice you can want? Then there is many options, for example, English, Danish, Russian, Spanish, etc. So I will select English male. Speed, that I will select slow. Pitch, that is high, for example. Volume, it could be loud. Okay, then if I press apply setting and press convert now, then it will pending and converting. I successfully convert. Here is showing converting. After converting, it will show the download option. Okay, here you see a download option. Now if we press download, then it will start and download the file. Now we can use this as a file. Here is our file. You see impact analysis of water. It's a summary.
Impact analysis of water quality on the development of
Okay. So here it is the process that you can convert any file like these things, and you can convert any file from anything to anything. It's very easy and simple. Okay. Thank you.